Dear children, in EVS subject, the lesson name is Honey Sweet Honey. Honey Sweet Honey. This is the second lesson. Okay children, the name is Honey Sweet Honey. See children, you have look your surrounding. You observe some small things or you observe many animals. Is it right? Animals, birds, others. Is it right? So what are the animals? Name some animals. Cow, dog, cat, birds like crows, pigeon, insects like insects, some ants, butterfly. Is it right? So some ants, they will collect the sweet or sugar. So all the ants are collected the sweet. So sweet is the food for the, or sugar is the food for the ant. So in this lesson we learn about how the honey get. Okay, honey is get from honey bee. Okay children. So for that first one we have to observe some in our surroundings. We observe some animals. Is it right? So for example, so the ants collect their food. For example, the monkey, they will take care about their young ones. Is it right? Monkey, and also the cat is licking the kitten with love. The cat, the young one of cat is kitten. Cat, kitten. What is the name of the young one of the cat? The cat, kitten is the young one of the cat. So it is licking with the love. Which one? The cat is licking the kitten with care and love. And other animals, for example, human beings, everyone. So your parents are, they will take care with love and affection. Is it right? And for example, your father will take care your future also. Is it right? And other animals also, they will take care and give the food and also give love to the other animals, means other young ones. So here, the forest, the national forest, national park, that is Nagarhole or Bandipura. So you observe so many animals. For example, if you visit a zoo, for example, Mysore Zoo, you observe so many animals. Elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkeys and other birds also you observe in the zoo. Like that you observe in Nagarhole forest. So there are so many herd of deers and elephants also in a group. You will notice that. Means tiger, lion, wild animals you see in the forest and other in the zoo also. So some dogs are fighting for the piece of bread. Why they will fighting for the piece of bread? Because it is a food for the dog. It will be fight for to get the bread for other dog. The birds are flying together in the sky. The birds are flying together in the sky. Why the birds are flying? So they will move from one place to another place to get food and water and return back to their shelter. Which is a shelter for birds or dwelling for birds? Nest on the tree is the dwelling or shelter for the birds. It fly on the air. It fly on the sky. And then the monkey is sitting on the branch. Which is the dwelling place of monkey? The tree is the dwelling. Dwelling means the place where the animals live. It is a home for the animals. So we are living house. So other animals, they will leave their particular dwellings. What about the cow? Cow is living shed. So like that, other animals leave their own dwellings. The baby monkey is holding on the belly of its mother. So you observe the monkey on the tree, branch of the tree. You observe the baby monkey. The mother monkey is holding the baby monkey. Okay children, the mother monkey holding the baby monkey in its belly. Okay. The baby monkey, if the baby monkey falls down, the mother monkey will hold the baby monkey carefully. Is it right? So like that, the babies in your house also, your mother take care very carefully. Is it right? So like that, the mother baby monkey. Next thing, the hen. Hen is teaching its chicks how to search for food. So the hen, it is a mother. It will be teaches the chicks, means the young one of the hen. Hen is chicks. It will be teaches the searching of food. So observe the behavior of the other animals also. So in this class we learn about dog, other birds, animals, human beings, monkey, cat, dog, and also we observe hen. So these are the animals. They will care the young ones. They will care the young ones. So let us come to the point. The honey. Honeybee. So honeybee you observe in your garden, or it may be in the so many flowers we get garlands now. So flower shop. So we observe honeybee. Okay, children. So look at the honeybee sucking nectar from the flower. So this is a flower. See, this is a honeybee. Honeybee in Kannadadalli ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಜೇನುಹುಳು ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ. So it will be sucking the nectar, sweet. What is the meaning of nectar? Nectar. The nectar means sweetness present in the flowers. See, observe this figure. The honeybee is sucking the sweetness, that is called as nectar, from the flower. So what is the function of the honeybee? Function means what? Work. So what is the work of the honeybee or function of the honeybee? It gets suck the nectar or sweetness from the flower. So and then what happens? So next method is it will be collected the honeybee and then it will be goes to their dwelling. Which is the dwelling or home place shelter to the honeybee? That is beehive. This is called as beehive. Beehive. Jenu goodu anta heltaralla beehive. So honeybee, it will be collected at the top, means top of the tree. You observe in old buildings also, it collect the nectar, means it will be construct the beehive on old buildings on top of the high building and also in the very height of the tree. So you see bees. It looks like a housefly, and there are thousands of bees in the family. So when observing the beehive, you observe thousands of honeybee in this beehive. How many bees are there? 1000 bees are there in this beehive. So there is one queen bee and the rest are the workers bees. See children, so in that beehive there is only one queen bee. Rani Jenu anta heltaralla. So queen bee is there and other bees are the workers. Okay. So they will work to such as building the hive. So what is the workers working is to build the beehive and collecting the food, looking after the queen bee, etc. What is the workers working is? So it will be means the workers are construct the beehive and they will take care of the queen bee and also collecting the food. Which is the food? The nectar. They will be collected. Nectar is the food for the honeybee. The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. What is the work of the queen bee? Only laying eggs. So however we have to observe a beautiful hive. So when you go past to your villages, you have to observe the beehive. Okay children, the nectar. I will explain sweetness present in the flowers. Sweetness present in the flowers is called as nectar. And so the workers, what is the worker? Working for the worker bee is, so it will be collect the food from the flower and Wax means a sticky, it is a sticky material. Usually you know the candle, it is made up of wax. Okay. So here the honeybee build the hive with the wax. Honeybee build the hive with the wax. On the branches of the tree, and also it may be on the hollow of the tree, or it may be on the terrace of the big buildings, etc. Okay. Usually the honeybees constructed the beehive on the branch of the tree or hollow of the tree. Hollow means holes irtava, so holes irtave, hollow anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, and also in the big buildings. Next, the nectar. It is a food. The food is what we call as, the food is called as nectar. It is the sweetness present in the flowers. So we store the, bee means here honeybee. Honeybee store the nectar in beehive and eat it when we need food. It is the honey. So honeybee, it will be eat the nectar from the flower and it will be stored in the beehive. Honeybee collect the nectar from the flower and store it in the beehive. So you know the honey. So it will be you get from the shop also in the retail places. The here it is useful for the medicinal purposes also. So for the cough and some cold, we use honey as a medicine. Honey is a medicine. Honey. So some of the other products of wax and wax is candle and other some of the instrumental. What is the what we call as sugar syrup, and also it will be mixed with the jaggery. This honey is mixed with the sugar syrup also. The wax is used as a candles. Candles and other some of the purposes they will use as a medicinal and other candle purposes. So here it is a honey. It will be get from the flower. Okay, children. So here you have to collect some nectar. Where you will collect the nectar? So early morning you have to go to your garden. You pluck one flower. So you have to suck some of the flower sweetness present in the flower. So that is called as nectar. Nectar means sweetness. Sweetness in the flower. So let us recall once again in this lesson. This is the honey, sweet honey. Okay. The main thing in this lesson is nectar, wax, beehive is the main thing in this lesson. Next, here is horticulture, honey culture. Honey, rearing of honeybee, rearing of honeybee. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೇನು ಸಾಕಣೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ರೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಹನಿ ಬೀಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೇನು ಹುಳುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹನಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದನ್ನ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಏನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್? ಹನಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಕುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸಿ ದ ರೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹನಿ ನಿಯರ್ ನಾಗರೋಳೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. You observe one plantation is there near the Nagarhole forest, that is called as rearing of bees for the collection of honey. So there is arrangements of wooden boards or boxes for they will be kept in the gardens. The wooden boxes are kept in the gardens. People get the honey and collected in it. So it is an artificial beehive for the honeybees. Which one is artificial beehive? The wooden boxes with the holes arrangements are the artificial beehive. They will keep it in the garden. All the honeybees will collect the nectar and collected in the stored in that artificial wooden boxes. See like this, you observe in page number 15 the boxes. So you observe the boxes carefully. So they will collect as usual in the beehive. It will be collected in the wooden boxes. So this is about of the honeybee. Here is one poem is there. You have to sing and enjoy yourself. I will just sing that one. bees are going in a big swarms from flowers to flower here and there. So bees are going in big swarms. So they will collect the flower, nectar from flower to flower. Collecting nectar, oh so sweet, and then they return to their combs. They will collect the nectar and then they will return to their combs. Combs means this structure is called as combs. Okay, honey combs. Bees big and small, how good they look in varieties though, producing lots of wax and honey, only for us, not themselves. So they will collect the honey in the honey bees, not for themselves, it will be given to us. Preserve the bees who produce honey. Bees are our dear friends. They provide honey for our health. It's used to unlimited. So it gives the honey. It is very beneficial and it is also used in the economical conditions for the farmers also. It will be improve the economical condition, and also it is used in the medicinal purposes and also in the dietary context, and also wax is also used as a candle. Okay children, here are some hard words. Kittens, K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens, K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens. Human beings, H-U-M-A-N-B-E-I-N-G-S, human, H-U-M-A-N, human, B-E-I-N-G-S, beings. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch, B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. N-E-C-T-A-R, nectar, N-E-C-T-A-R, nectar. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material, M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material. Medicinal, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-A-L, medicinal, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-A-L, medicinal. Follows, H-O-L-L-O-W-S, H-O-L-L-O-W-S, follows. G-A-R-D-E-N-S, gardens, G-A-R-D-E-N-S, gardens. Products, P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S, products, P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S, products. Hives, H-I-V-E-S, hives, H-I-V-E-S, hives. So next, here are some notes points, remembrance. Honeybee collects nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in one round. It collects 50 to 100 flowers. So if one honeybee collects nectar from 50 to 100 flowers. How many flowers? 50 to 100 flowers. The only food the man eats produced by the insects is honey. The only food that the man will eat is called as honey. There are some plants and animal products. So honey is the insect product, means insect produced from the insect. As the ants and white ants burrow the ground and allow the air to pass into the soil, the plants grow luxuriously. See, when the plants get more healthy, so the insects also help in the production of the plants. Hives, nests, ant hills, termitalia and spiders web, etc. are the wonderful constructions of the animal kingdom. So hive is also one of the wonderful construction. Ant hill ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೂಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಇರುವೆಗಳು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟಗಳು, ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಟರ್ಮಿಟರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುತ್ತ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾವಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ಸ್ ವೆಬ್, ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ವೆಬ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ by the insects. The ant which carries leaf on its back to protect themselves from the sunlight is called umbrella ant. Sauga ant, it is also one of the other name of the umbrella ant is called as sauga ant. So exercise, that is you have to fill in your pencil. So what are the products of honey, honeybee? Here you have to tick the uses of honey. Honey, candle. These are the two examples for the uses of the honey. Okay children, this is the end of this lesson. If you have doubt, so you have to message with your WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you children.